Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you live in a city or village?
In these days, I live in city in Lahore, which is situated in Punjab, Pakistan. It is a big city of Pakistan. Here is many facilities for health, education, and professionals.
Okay, so to answer your question, I live in a city nowadays.
Yes.
Okay, conclusion. Let's go on. Is it good for young people to grow up in the city?
Yes, it is good for the growing people because here is many facilities of education, uh,
Many facilities of education,
health.
and modern facilities.
Yes.
Okay, so at least 4-5 sentences should be spoken. Is your city a good place for young people to grow up? It's already done. Let's go on. Have you ever been to a seaside? Have you ever visited seaside? Have you ever visited a beach?
No.
Like in Karachi, we have a sea and the beach.
Yes.
So have you ever visited a beach?
Yes. I had visited.
I visited beach once.
I visited beach once in Karachi. It's that was a very beautiful beach in our country, and it was a famous beach. There was many facilities.
There were many facilities.
There were many facilities in there.
Okay, all right. Do you often eat out in the restaurants?
Yes, I probably many times to eat in restaurants, especially in holidays with my family, and after many occasions I went to the restaurant.
Okay, on many occasions I go to the restaurant.
Go to the restaurant.
All right. What is your favorite food?
My favorite, there are many favorite foods for mine, but I love to eat chicken biryani, which is a very tasteful food.
Which is a very tasty food.
It is a very tasty and delicious food. It's famous for our country.
It's famous in my country.
In my country.
So I like chicken biryani.
Yes.
Right. Much better than the last week. Okay. Keep it up like this.
Inshallah,
Okay.
inshallah.
Thank you very much.